Jeff's up. He says, happy 200th episode. Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate that. He says, you mentioned a done-for-you keyword research gig in one of the last Hump Day Hangouts. Where can we find it so we can give you more money? I'll plus one that again if I could. Love that attitude. Adam, is that, or Marco, is that available yet for sale?
We don't have the product added yet because we are adding another product into our guys. We just keep trying to improve it, trying to make it better, and trying to decide which product we should offer ahead of whatever. But we did offer 3 at like half price last week. 3 people took us up on it. One of the orders has already been delivered. What we're waiting on is the 2 other people to give us their what do you call it, their niche. All we need is your niche. We don't need just a ton of keywords. We don't need you to do any of the research. We just need to know what the fuck you're working on, and then we just go and do it. And I've incorporated, as a matter of fact, since we last talked, and Adam, I have to get that to you for the person that ordered the drive stack. We've incorporated near me term research into all of our keyword research that we're already doing. So if what we were doing before weren't enough, we're doing more.
That's awesome.
How about this? Hey, Marco, I realize I'm kind of putting you on the spot here, but could we open up one spot for him since he was kind enough to ask? And if we got time, we could turn it around for him in like a week.
Yeah, let's do it.
Sounds good. All right. So I didn't see the name. Jeff. Yeah, if you want to message support and include make sure it's from your email and your name on there, and I'll hook you up with the buy button that you can use.
It's our 200th episode. How can I say no?
All right, look, I paused the screen for a minute because I wanted to just point out why the near me keywords are so damn important, guys. And so I'm going to show you a live example of something here. All right, so this is the case study that I had set up for the local GMB Pro course. And I want you guys to see this. Okay, so this is for the last 30 days for this Mario's Cab Service, the taxi company in Charlottesville. Look what the primary driver of traffic is to his GMB, to his Google Maps listing, guys. They're near me keywords. You know why the primary driver of traffic and engagement to his listing are near me keywords? Because we target near me keywords in the GMB posts. In fact, if you're in local GMB Pro, you know I have a whole set of content templates for GMB posts targeting that you can target for all different types of keywords. There's a set of templates for near me keywords. And because we work that into our weekly rotation of posts, guess who gets served whenever people are doing near me searches for taxi cab companies in Charlottesville? Guess who gets served? Mario's Cab Service. And that's freaking incredible. And again, guys, look at that. The primary driver are near me keywords of traffic to his website, guys. Look at this. All these near me stuff, right? And that's because so who do you think's doing those? Those are all mobile searches, guys. All mobile searches. And look at that. I mean, again, just for a month, he's had 134 maps impressions and 62 actions, which is damn near 50%. Think about that. So that's really, really good. And that's why if you guys are not targeting near me keywords, you're nuts. You're missing out on a shit ton of traffic, especially now with the mobile first indexing, right? Or mobile index first, I should say. Okay. All right, we're going to keep moving. But yeah, that's why the near me stuff is really, really important.